Decorative Studio. I'm Jenna.
And I'm Kayla.
And today we're going to be making a drawer organizer just like this. And you can put all kinds of little stuff in it.
We found one at Walmart that was almost $40, and we're going to make one super cheap.
You're going to take out one of your drawers, and the front side is where the hole is. You're going to face it down on one of your scrapbook papers and trace.
You can buy scrapbook paper at any craft store, any theme, but we decided to do a Christmas one. After you trace it, then you cut it out. I'm going to paint one of the drawers, and I'm going to paint it red.
So now that we cut it out, we're going to glue it on the drawer.
After your paint dries, you're going to cover it with triple thick
to seal the paint.
Be sure to cover all the sides and even the top part with paint and triple thick. We got some wood looking paper, we cut it to the size of the top, and it wasn't long enough, so we had to paint the ends to hide it.
We're going to glue the paper on the top.
All the pieces that have scrapbook paper on it, we're going to cover it with Mod Podge to seal it.
We painted the last drawer green, and we're going to put triple thick on it just like the previous. We're going to use this one in the kitchen. So right here for the first one we have tea. For the middle we're going to be using coffee pods. And for the last one we're going to be using sugar.
We're going to use this one in the craft room. We put glass marbles, pom-poms, and binder clips.
I hope you like our video,
And I hope you try one yourself.
and get organized.
Thanks for watching. Bye!